All right, so this is another practice about marginal cost. This problem could easily be talking about marginal revenue. And we're given that to produce 2,000 items, the total cost is $4,000 and the marginal cost is $15 per item. Estimate the costs of producing 2,001 items, 1,999 items, and 2,050 items. So we're given the cost of producing 2,000 items is $4,000. And we're given the marginal cost at that production level. Marginal cost at that production level is $15 per item. So in part A, we're asked to find what is the cost of producing 2,001 items. Okay. And marginal cost gives us an estimate of the cost of producing one more item. So it might be actually, when you look at the actual data, it might end up being $14.98. Which is about $15 per item. But, so we're going to use this, and so this ends up looking like we're basically using linear approximation, our tangent lines, to estimate what is going on close to the point that we know about. And so we're going to use the fact that if we add one more item, the additional cost would be about 15. So we're starting off at 4,000, and we're going to add one more item. And so we're going to get an answer of the cost is going to be about $4,015. For part B, we're asked to calculate, or estimate, I should say, the cost of producing 1,999 items. Now, if we want to think about this, we are going to fit one more item, our additional cost is 15. So to produce one less item, it would be about $15 less. Thinking about if we have a curve right around that spot, we're going to have a little bit less or a little bit more. And so right now, this is the what we know about. We estimated 2001. Now we're going to estimate 1999. So we're going to look at 4,000 minus 15 times 1. Or you might write this as we're subtracting 1 from our original data point. Either way, we're going to get 3,985 is our estimate of the cost. Then in part C, we're looking at estimating the cost of 2,050. And as we have seen with tangent lines, the further away we get from where we've calculated the tangent line, using the line to estimate where we are on the curve is not going to be as good. But this is the only data we have, so we're just going to use it. So in this case, we are adding 50 more items. This is $15 per item. So it's going to be about 4,000 plus 15 times 50 items. And we're going to get, it's going to be an estimate of $4,750. This one is probably going to be further off than either of these of reality.